Hey guys, in today's video, original Bubba Burgers versus Angus Bubba Burgers. Which ones are best? Make sure to stick around until the end of the video and I'll let you know which ones I like best, original or Angus. Let's do it. I can't tell you how many times I've walked past this freezer not realizing how many flavors of Bubba Burgers there were. Now that I have a Griddle channel, I thought it'd be a cool idea to test out the flavors and let you know which ones I like. I'm going to use my Blackstone. However, you can easily use an indoor griddle or a cast iron skillet on your stovetop. All right, it's time to fire up the Blackstone. Let's get these burgers going. All right, guys, time to put some cheese on these and go inside and taste test them. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What types of burgers do you like? What seasonings do you like? If this is the type of content you like, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Which Bubba Burger will I like better, Angus or original? Let's find out. It took several bites, and it was pretty close for me, but I think I'm going to go ahead and choose this one as my favorite. Let's see which one it was. Angus. They both were really good, but the Angus one just stuck out a little bit more to me. So if you like these types of videos, consider liking and subscribing to the channel and see what I'm cooking up next here.